Hi everyone. Washing Bolstie is quite easy. You simply just throw it in with your laundry. And the bonus, Bolstie can be used as your laundry bag. Alright, let's do this.
Unzip and remove each bundled rolls, unroll and toss into the washer.
I know most of us, we want to just crumble this up and throw it in the washer. But we shouldn't do that if we want to preserve the beautiful velvet fabric. And the long strap can get tangled. Keep the strap in the buckle. Then you simply just turn Bolstie inside out. Just like that. And then you would zip it closed a little bit more than halfway through, leaving some opening. And now you just throw this into the washer. That's it. The wash cycle is done. Let's see how Bolstie turned out. The great thing about these new washers is that they tumble your clothes around rather than whip it around like the old style. The next thing you do, just untuck the Bolstie like this. When you untuck it like this, it actually dries faster. That's it. Here we are, the moment of truth. Let's see how it turned out. So this is what it looks like out of the dryer. Wow, it smells so fresh. See how important that you don't zip this all the way down? The opening allows us to unzip the Bolstie and turn it right side out. Look at that, you guys. Oh my gosh. Oh, it smells so good, so clean, and look how beautiful the velvet holds up. Alright, that's it. And this is how you wash and take care of your Bolstie so it's ready for your next trip. Bye.